Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes, I hope so. As everybody know, we are in term 2. Yes, this is our math session and today we are going to see chapter 1 and the name of our topic is number system. Okay kids, through this system, yes, we are going to learn to do decimal notation, the place value of decimal numbers and so on. Let's we see that. Yes kids, as per we discussed, today we are going to see our chapter 1 in term 2 and the name of our chapter is number system. Okay, first we are going to see that notation. See here they given us a decimal number. This is called decimal number. இந்த நம்பரை நம்ம என்ன சொல்வோம்? Decimal number னு சொல்றோம். And decimal number it has two part. என்ன இருக்கு? It has two part. Before the point what we call it as whole part. Before the point இருக்கதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்வோம்? Whole part அப்படின்னு சொல்வோம். After the point we call it as decimal part. After the point we call it as decimal part. Like that the decimal number has two parts. Okay. See how you have to pronounce this generally. 343.13. This is the way of pronounce this decimal number, given decimal number. See எப்போவுமே பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி yes that is whole part நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், அதோடைய place value. yes usually உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. after the decimal point இருக்கதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லக்கூடாது, 13. இப்போ இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 13 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. you should not say that as 13. how we have to read 343.13. this is the way of reading that given decimal number. For example 253.46 இப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. see as like above sum it has two part. one is whole part and another one is decimal part. how you have to pronounce, yes you have to pronounce 253.46. this is the way of reading that given decimal numbers. got it? Okay, last slide we saw that what is a decimal number and how we have to pronounce and what are the parts it's containing. Now we are going to see the place value of given decimal number. See, as we discussed, how we have to pronounce it first, 456.34. this is the way of reading the given decimal number, right? Now we are going to see the place value. First I am going to find the place value for whole part. okay, whole part is common. okay va, whole part க்கு place value is common. so this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and so on. okay, whole part க்கு there is no change at all. எப்போவுமே நீங்கள் எப்படி place value denote பண்ணுவீங்களோ same like that you are going to denote the place value for whole part in the decimal number. how we have to find the decimal value for decimal part? see, after the point first number tenths, tenths, tenths. so we should take it as 1/10. என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதோட 3/10. like this is the way of writing or denoting that decimal part in the place value. okay, see this is hundredth, hundredths. this is the way of representing hundredth value in decimal part. how you have to represent it? 4/100. nothing but இந்த நம்பரை போட்டுட்டு அதோடைய place value 10 na 10, 100 na 100 and so on. if it is 6 here na, how we have to write 6 divided by 1000 and the spelling of thousandth place is 1000, SANDTHS. at last you should add THS. decimal பார்ட்டுக்கு என்ன பண்ணும், THS னு add பண்ணும். see, once again I am repeating, for finding the place value for whole part is common as like usual, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and so on. Coming to the decimal part, first number point க்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்க நம்பரை tens, next number hundredth and the preceding number 1000, 10,000 and so on. This is the way of representing the place value of decimal numbers. Got it? Just have a look at this. Write the following in the place value grid and find the place value of the underlined digits. Okay, for doing this, first we need to draw the tabular column like this. In the sum போடணும்னா first what we have to do is, first we need to draw the tabular column like this. See, serial number, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, after this decimal point will come. இங்கேயோட என்ன இருக்கு நமக்கு decimal point இருக்கு. See, after that decimal point, first digit we denoting like this, tens, hundreds, thousands. Got it? நம்ம previous sumலே பார்த்துட்டோம். Now you make clear with that place values how we have to denote also. So my first question is 0.37. See, among the given number, this is our whole part, this is our decimal part. Okay, so 0 is, inga we have to place 0 ones place 0. Why? Because whole part it contains only one number and also that is 0. So 0. See, after the point, first digit we call it as tens. So 3. Next point, hundreds. 7. Okay. So what they tell us to find? They tell us to find the underlined digits of the given number. So my question is 0.37. So 7 is an underlined digit given. So 0.37 la underline digits oda value, now you can say easily hundreds, hundreds, seventh hundreds. Got it? Come, let's check the next sum. 2462.23. Okay, 2000. I'm going to place the 2 into 2000. Next to 400, 6 tens and 2 ones. See, after the first point, it's indicate tens. Under here, they underlined 3 values. So, 3. Now, you should say, what is the place value of 3 in the given number? Yes, the place value of 3 in the given number is 300. HUNDREDTHS. This is the way of representing the decimal part place value in decimal number. Next, 28.271. 28.271. See, this is our whole part. This is our decimal part. I am going to place the value in whole part. This is 1's term. This is 10's term. So, we should place this 8 into 1's term. And I am going to place this 2 in 10's terms. Purinjirucha? Got it? 28. Next, 2 tens, 7th hundreds and 1000. See, here also the place value of underlined thing is 7th hundreds. EDTH. Got it? Suppose here they would have underlined, means the place value of 1 is 1000th. Got it? This is the way of finding the place value of underlined digit and grid using grid. Okay, got it? Now you can see one more sum so that you can understand easily. See what they given here. See, they given here the number as 456.726 and they would have underlined under 6th. Okay, now I am going to place these given values in the grid. Okay, 100th place, 4, 10th place 5, next 1's place 6, 10th place. After the point, the first digit will be here 10, 2, 6. I hope correctly I am placing all over the given values, and now we are going to find the value, underlined value, place value. See here they underlined under 6, number 6. Therefore, the place value of 456.726 is 6. Can say yes, thousands. Got it? This is the way of representing the place value in grid box. Got it? Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Here I have attached your homework part. Try to do on your own and take down all these problems neatly. Thank you kids.